We got the form boards all stood up. Now we got to get them all square. So last night, a buddy of mine, Isaac, he came over. He's a plumber. Came over and helped me get all the black pipe roughed in. Today I'm going to run my water line. Come from the well there into the boiler room there. What I'm working on now is I'm putting a 40-foot beam. It's gonna go from wall to wall, free spanning beam, and these are going to be my posts that hold it up. So I'm setting in the concrete. I'm going to build little pads down in the concrete. So what we're going to do is we're going to set these guys right in there. I'm going to put some rebar underneath it, get them sitting up on little chunks of blocks so that concrete gets underneath it. So you get like 3 inches of concrete under it. Put another one over there. Then my posts are going to go up right here. Then we'll lift that beam up. I can't remember how big the beam is. It's like a 21 or 20-inch beam. It's a big daddy. Everything is level. All our form boards pretty much there. Just got to get them turnbuckles tonight. Got a guy that's going to pour the concrete for me. It's not my thing. I'm not very good at it, and I don't want to screw it. So today we got all the turnbuckles in. Cut the foam. Got our wall or our forms straight all the way around. Right now we're cutting the foam. Getting the foam sitting in there. Getting close. Pouring concrete hopefully by this weekend, next weekend. All of the foam that we're using is from a roofing company in town, something they removed from a roof job. It's 3-inch. Some of it's wet, waterlogged. Most of it's dry. From what I've been told, you can put the wet stuff under your slab and concrete will pull the moisture out. Tomorrow, we're going to drive the well another 5 feet. See if we get into some better water, because right now we're not liking what we're seeing for our water. And then we'll pull our water line through right here. It's going to stub up right here into the boiler room. We got most of the foam laid in here. I start night shift tonight, so I gotta go make my breakfast and lunch. Still got some work we gotta do over on the well over there. I'm gonna keep pumping on it for a couple days. But we'll have this thing ready for concrete here in a couple days. Got my buddy Isaac out here. Pouring concrete in a couple days. So today Isaac got all the plumbing done. And right now we are putting a lot of metal, a lot of rebar. We're doing 16-inch on center in the shop. And then in the garage, we're gonna do 32. And then we're also gonna put the wire mesh down. I know it's probably way overkill, but I can't redo this, so since I don't know, we're putting a lot in there. Okay, it's July 22nd. We are pouring concrete tomorrow. Last night, the boys and I and Miranda, we got most of the rebar laid in here. Tonight I gotta finish, before they can come, that's a boiler. I gotta put a drain there, or the floor drain in still. Here's what we did for our posts that are gonna hold the big beam up. They're on both sides of the building, dug down, put a little bit of rebar underneath it. I'm gonna build some forms tonight for around this pit. Our slab is gonna go over the top. It's gonna cap it. And we gotta put the rest of the rebar in there and the wire mesh. Holy smokes, there's a lot going on here. Okay, we are completely ready for concrete. That's what it looks like. It's going to be awesome to get this done. We're high here, but I guess what this guy does is he just pulls this out. Once it gets mud in there, and then it will sit down in where it needs to be. Just put this one in the concrete, this blue one. We're going to put a sensor, a temp sensor in the concrete, so that if our slab starts to cool off, like if we got the wood boiler going and none of the slabs are calling for heat, and they start to cool off, it'll automatically turn a zone on, just put some warm water, turn all the zones on to put some hot water in the slab.
First load of concrete. Number 6. Looking pretty good.